Hello all, welcome to Voice Beacon. India is a home to plenty of strange traditions. From harmless rituals to downright dangerous, we can see them all. One such dangerous and bizarre ritual, which is still practiced in India, is to be seen in today's video. So let's get into the video to find about the same. This ritual is popular one in Maharashtra and Karnataka states. Also dates back almost 700 years and is practiced by both Hindu and Muslim families. Okay, what is the ritual all about? Infants under the age of 2 years are shaken by the priest and then dropped from a 30 to 50 feet shrine or mosque. It might be shocking, but believe it's happening. Every year, 200 families participate in that ritual and over 200 infants are tossed up from a height. Okay, how it all started? Legend has it that a saint advised people whose babies were dying to build a shrine and to demonstrate their faith in God by throwing their babies off the roof of a shrine, and that God would magically produce a sheet below to catch them in. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Once the child is born, it is taken to a dargah or a temple where the baby is held over the sheer drop of the roof by its limbs, shaken by the priest, and then dropped. Over the last 50 plus years, baby tossing ritual was evolved. It is no longer related to the dying or ailing children, but rather is a celebration in certain parts of India. And it is strongly believed to be religious duty for the devotees. In this ritual, a priest shakes the baby for a few times and then drops it down from a 30 to 50 feet shrine. And a group of men standing down holding a sheet for the safe landing of the baby. If the baby lands safely, the crowd and the relatives of the baby celebrate, sing, dance, and then pass each infant around before returning them to their mother. There are several reasons believed by the people to follow this ritual. The villagers believe that it is their religious duty. They also believe that the ritual brings them good luck and a long life for the child. Couples who participate in this ritual are in the hope that they will be blessed with their own children. The people who participate in this ritual believe that it ensures good health and prosperity for them. In 2009, the National Commission of Protection of Child Rights made attempts to ban the ritual. However, this practice resumed again in 2011. There doesn't seem to have been any damage done to the dropped infants, but this ritual is still highly questionable to this day. We have medical advancement necessary to significantly cut down the infant mortality rate when compared to 700 years ago. So, is it really necessary to subject infants to a 30-foot drop off a building? Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give likes, comments, and dislikes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you.